Alright, so everyone's talking about making money with ChatGPT, right? Twitter's full of people claiming they're making thousands. YouTube's flooded with 10 easy side hustles videos. But here's the problem. Nobody's actually showing you what works and what's complete rubbish. So I spent the last 30 days testing 5 different ChatGPT side hustles. I tracked every penny. I'm going to show you the 3 that actually made money, the 2 that were a complete waste of time, and exactly why. Let's get into it. Quick context. I've got a full-time job, so I'm doing this in evenings and weekends, probably same situation as you. I'm not some tech wizard or marketing guru, just a normal girl trying to make extra money without it taking over my life. I gave each side hustle 1 week, tracked my time, tracked my earnings, and I'm going to be brutally honest about what worked and what didn't. No fluff, no theories, just real results. Here's what I tested. 1. Freelance blog writing on Fiverr. 2. Social media captions for local businesses. 3. Email copywriting. 4. Creating and selling chatbots. 5. AI consulting. Each one got 7 days. Same tool, ChatGPT, same amount of effort. Let's see what happened. Number 1. Freelance blog writing on Fiverr. This was the clear winner. I made $340 in the first week. Here's exactly what I did. I set up a Fiverr gig offering blog posts. Started at $10 for $500 words. Used ChatGPT to do the research, create outlines, write first drafts. My job, edit it, make it sound human, add personality. First 2 days, nothing. Then orders started coming in. Small stuff at first. A blog about gardening tips, one about pet care, nothing fancy. But here's what I learned. Speed is everything. Most freelancers take 3 to 4 days to deliver. I was delivering same day because ChatGPT did 80% of the work. Clients loved that. By day 4, I had my first 5-star review. Bumped my price to $20. Still got orders. By end of week 1, I'd done 22 blog posts. That's $340. The best part? Once you've got a few reviews, the orders come to you. I didn't have to hunt for clients. Is it life-changing money? No. But it's reliable, it's scalable, and it actually works. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. If you've got evenings free and you can edit writing, this is the easiest money I made. Number 2, writing social media captions for local businesses. This one surprised me. Made $180 in a week. Here's the approach. I didn't go online for this. I went local. Walked into cafes, salons, gyms, small businesses that post on Instagram but clearly hate doing it. You can tell because their captions are either non-existent or just emojis. My pitch was simple. I'll write 20 Instagram captions for $30. Save you hours. Interested? 6 businesses said yes in 2 days. I'd sit down with them for 20 minutes, ask about their brand, their vibe, what they're trying to sell. Then I'd go home, feed that info into ChatGPT, and it would spit out 20 captions in about 10 minutes. I'd tweak them, add local references, make sure they sounded like the business owner would actually say them. Delivered in a Google Doc. Total time per client, maybe an hour including the initial chat. $30 per hour is decent. The kicker? 4 of them asked if I do this monthly. That's recurring income. Why this works? Small businesses know they need social media, but they're too busy running the actual business. You're solving a real problem. Would I recommend this? Yes, especially if you like talking to people. It's not fully remote, but it's easy money and builds local reputation. Number 3, email marketing copywriting. This was the highest earner per project, made $250 in 1 week, but it's harder to get clients for this one. What I did, I reached out to online businesses, course creators, coaches, small e-commerce brands, found them on Instagram, sent DMs offering to write their email sequences. My pitch? I'll write you a 5-email welcome sequence for $50. You keep the emails forever. Interested? Out of 40 messages, 5 said yes. That's $250. Using ChatGPT, I'd ask it to write a 5-email sequence based on their product and audience. It would give me drafts. I'd rewrite the hooks, tighten the CTAs, make sure the tone matched their brand. Each sequence took me about 2 hours start to finish. Why this worked? Email marketing converts. Business owners know this. A good email sequence can make them thousands, so $50 is nothing. The downside? You need to be comfortable with outreach and selling yourself. Not everyone is. And you're competing with actual copywriters. But if you can get past that initial outreach phase, the money's there. Would I recommend this? Yes, but only if you're willing to do the sales side. This isn't post and they come to you like Fiverr. You have to go get the clients. All right, now the 2 that flopped. Number 4, creating and selling chatbots. Made $0. Complete waste of time. Here's what I tried. I saw videos saying, businesses need chatbots. You can build them with AI and charge $200, $500 each. So I used ChatGPT to help me build basic customer service chatbots. Spent 2 days learning how to do it. Reached out to 30 businesses offering my services. 0 interest. Not 1 reply. Why it failed. 1. Most small businesses don't even know what a chatbot is or why they'd need one. 2. The businesses that do want chatbots already have them, or they use platforms like ManyChat. 3. This isn't something you can just do quickly. It requires actual technical skill, integration, ongoing support. ChatGPT helps, but it's not enough. 4. You're competing with developers who actually know what they're doing. I wasted a week on this. Don't make the same mistake. Unless you're already technical and you have a network of businesses asking for this, skip it. Number 5. AI consulting. Made $0 again. Another flop. The idea was, businesses want to use AI but don't know how. I'll position myself as an expert, charge $100 for consultations, show them how to implement AI in their workflow. Sounds good, right? Wrong. I posted on LinkedIn, reached out to business owners, offered free 15-minute consultations to upsell into paid sessions, got 3 calls booked, 2 ghosted, 1 showed up. Here's the problem. People want done for you, not advice. They don't want an hour call where you tell them what to do. They want you to do it for them. The one business owner who showed up literally said, "Can you just set this up for me instead?" That's when I realized, consulting sounds fancy, but unless you've got a big reputation, or you're already known in the space, no one's paying for advice. They're paying for results. This was the biggest waste of time because I spent hours on LinkedIn, making content, trying to build authority, all for nothing. Skip this unless you've already got an audience or a proven track record. So after testing all 5, here's what I learned about what actually works. Lesson 1, people pay for finished work, not ideas. Blog posts, captions, emails, those are done. Chatbots and consulting, those are concepts. People want tangible results. Lesson 2, speed wins. Every successful side hustle I did, speed was the advantage. ChatGPT makes you fast. Use that. Lesson 3, solve problems people already know they have. Business owners know they need blog content. They know they need social media. They don't know they need a chatbot. Market awareness matters. Lesson 4, start where the customers are. Fiverr, local businesses, Instagram DMs, those are places where people are already looking for help. LinkedIn for consulting? Not unless you're already established. Lesson 5, test fast, pivot faster. I gave each one a week. That's enough to know if it's worth continuing. Don't waste months on something that's not working. If I were starting over today, I'd do Fiverr blog writing first, get cash flowing, then add social media captions locally, then scale into email copywriting once I had the confidence. That's the path. Right, so if you want to actually do this, step 1, pick one of the 3 that worked. Don't try all of them at once. Step 2, set up your offer. If it's Fiverr, make the gig. If it's local, write your pitch. Step 3, use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. I'll drop my exact prompts in the description below. Step 4, deliver fast, get reviews, raise your prices. That's it. It's not complicated. I put together a free guide with all the templates, prompts, and scripts I used. Links in the description. Grab it. If this was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more honest AI money content, and drop a comment telling me which side hustle you're going to try first. Let's get it. See you in the next one.